Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Rumana. Today I am going to make one of the very easy recipe which does not require any kind of cookings and can be prepared one night before. And it's called overnight soaked oats with coconut milk and chia seeds. These are the ingredients I have taken it for one person. If you're cooking for more or if you're preparing this for more people, then just increase the quantity. I have taken half cup of oats. These are the quicker oats. You can take even a rolled oats, but I always prefer quicker oats. And I have taken 1 teaspoon of chia seeds, and I have taken half cup of coconut milk plus half cup of milk just to balance the taste. And I have taken half banana, 1 tablespoon dried cranberry, and 1 tablespoon kishmish. And I would be taking 1 tablespoon of honey. You can even take maple syrup or sugar or anything to make it healthier. So I usually use honey. Let me show you the process now. I'll add the oats along with chia seeds and a tablespoon of honey. You can add honey according to your taste, but this would be sufficient. And now I will add the mixture of coconut milk and a normal milk. And give it a good mix. As you can see, this is quite runny now, but once you put them in the refrigerator and in the morning, it would be very thick and very good. I'll put this in the refrigerator overnight and I'll show you the final product. As you all can see, the oats is ready. This is nicely, it has soaked all the milk and a coconut milk very well. Now I will add cranberry, raisin and a banana. The quick and easy overnight soaked oat, it's ready. So do make this recipe and enjoy with your family. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.